Hello everyone, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, and I am literally right outside my garage this evening. And in this video, I want to talk about what you should do if you see one of these, a check engine light. So your check engine light comes on, now what? And if you're watching this video, you probably are wondering what to do. And so I just want to talk a few minutes about the check engine light. So my wife was coming home this evening, and she was a few miles from home, and sure enough, the check engine light came on. And so she pulled over, and she called me, and she said, "Scott, what should I do?" Now, here's my answer to her. First of all, I asked her, are there any bad noises coming from the engine bay or any vibrations from the car? Now, that's important. If you are driving and you see steam coming out of your engine bay, or you're hearing bad noises or whatever, you need to safely pull over. Safely, I emphasize that. You don't want to just stop in the middle of the highway or road, but safely exit. Find a safe place to pull over and turn the car off. I'd recommend then that if you have AAA or insurance, that you would call them. Or if not, the non-emergency police number. But you'll probably have to get a tow truck and either have them tow it to the garage that you take your vehicle to, or tow it home until you can figure it out. My experience, though, is that most often that's not the case. I've only had one time in my life that the car literally had to pull over and have a tow truck come. All other cases, it's been the light comes on, and you don't have to, immediately pull over or anything like that. I would go home, and once you calm down a little bit, what I recommend is that you take it to the nearest O'Reilly's or AutoZone. Most of those places, with a few exceptions, most of them will come out and they will check your codes. And what that means is that they have a very good OBD2 reader. They'll plug it into your car and it will tell you what codes there are. What I do then is take a photograph of that OBD2 readout, and those codes tell you a lot. There are a lot of generic codes that apply to all cars. There are other codes that are specific to your make and model and year. Most often, the check engine light is nothing major, nothing catastrophic. It's usually like a sensor that needs to be replaced. And you just schedule a time with your mechanic to get it done, or get it done yourself. So if you're watching this video and again you have a check engine light, you're kind of freaking out, at least in my experience, it's nothing to freak out over. More likely something simple that your mechanic can do, or you can do yourself. Now, if you're curious, there'll be a link below and a separate video. I will diagnose this check engine light, and you can see for yourself what the engine codes are and how I will go about fixing it. I am very confident that I will. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for making it this far in the video. If you like the video, please hit like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. Please also consider subscribing to Scott's Garage and hit the bell notification for upcoming videos. Now, I am not a professional mechanic. I'm simply a backyard mechanic, a do-it-yourselfer. I've loved working on cars since my teenage years. This literally is my garage. Would love to have you come back and watch another episode of Scott's Garage. Please also consider downloading the Brave browser. Now, I heard about Brave for months. Various YouTubers didn't check it out, but I did a couple months ago. Absolutely love it. I've been using it ever since. It's very fast, very safe, very secure, very unique. You can disable all ads if you want to, or you can get paid to watch ads using the Brave browser. Check it out. Have a great day.